Okay, so this is how I took my shop vac, rigid shop vac, and made it into a dust extractor cart. So I did use the parts that were already on the shop vac and some scrap wood that I had lying around to build this. And this is something you guys can do. I'm actually going to use the wheels that are already on the shop vac. And instead of buying casters, I get to use these. I thought was a clever way to reuse and save some money. So far everything's looking good. I'm going to take this piece off because I'm going to use it later for the cord, and I'm going to use this as well. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble the legs. And again, I'm just pre-drilling and then going to screw them in from the bottom. This is really easy, and this came together like within an hour or so. And I didn't really have a plan to go with. It all came to me after I was trying to clean my shop vac. I flipped it upside down and said, hey, I could make a cart out of this with these wheels. And it all came together. So I'm just going to assemble the top part now with some pocket hole screws. I'm using a mixture of scrap wood and pallet wood for this. And now I'm going to put the blocks on the top to hold the dust extractor bucket that I have, the Dust Deputy I bought. Okay, so now the piece that I took off before, I'm going to use for the cord, and I'm just going to mount it up on the side here. And I need this block spacer just so the cord will fit around the whole attachment there. And it looks really good, fits perfect, great stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece off, so I'm not going to be using it, and I'm going to use it for the dust bucket hose, as you can see. This attachment for the hose, I'm going to be mounting this on right now, and it fits great, looks awesome so far. Okay, so now it's the handle, and I'm just using some pipe fittings for this. But I actually had these laying around, so it worked out really good. And I'm just going to mount them on with a couple screws, and just another accessory table, for just putting my drill on, or whatever you want to put on that, really. And it works out good. Look at this, rolls quite nicely. Okay, so now it's time to paint. So I'm going to be doing the same theme as the shop vac, orange and black, and this is going to give it some nice contrast, and it's going to go with the whole look of that rigid colors. So if you are a rigid fan, then hey, this cart is just for you. And so I'm going to do some stencil work, and honestly, I was having some trouble with the stencil work, but it came out pretty good. I have to do a better job next time, but it's a learning process with stencils. So I'm going to give it some nice flames just to spice up this cart, give it some nice decal work. You know, if you're working on your car, this is the way I'm doing it. This is a nice looking cart. Really happy of how I did it. And the Rigid logos going on the front. So shout out to Rigid, and I'm gonna call it the Dust Eliminator 3.0. Okay, and it's there we go, some more Rigid logos, and I'm gonna just really deck out this cart. I might as well, and I'm really liking how it turned out, and I'm really thankful that I was able to make something like this, guys. So this is it. This is the final reveal here. Okay guys, let's try and test this cart out. Let's see how well this works. I like how well organized it is, compact, and it just fits nicely. So I don't have the shop vac and the dust separators separated. They're together, no pun intended. So I'm starting this, and this thing works great. So I'm loving how it works. And guys, this is something you guys can build. Thank you for watching. Guys, enjoy more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless. Guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Guess what? I have another video right here of me building an end table out of wood pallets. This is a great way for you guys to learn woodworking. And not only that, they are practically free. So check that video out. Also, guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and the bell icon. And guys, most importantly, just have a great day and God bless.